friends, Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the 6th episode of Ellen's Christmas Series 2022. I am very excited about this video. I am participating in the open collaboration hosted by my good friends Mitch and Phillip called #Christmas Cookies Extravaganza 2022. For our collaboration, I'm going to share with all of y'all some cherry white chocolate chip cookies. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and they're going to be bursting with flavor. Everybody's going to fall in love with these. These screams the holidays. And these would be great to make for Santa Claus when he comes down the chimney on Christmas Eve. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my cookie recipes playlist, my Christmas treats recipes playlist, and my previous video, Red Velvet Biscuits. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your cookie sheets, your maraschino cherries, and your white chocolate chip sugar, because we're about to bake some cherry white chocolate chip cookie magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep up our dry ingredients. In my bowl and sifter, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And into our flour, we're going to add in 1½ teaspoons of baking soda and ½ teaspoon of salt. And sift these together. Or you can whisk them if you like. Alrighty, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, I have a ½ cup each, which is 1 stick of unsalted butter and margarine, and they're both at room temperature. And into our butter and margarine, we're going to add in a ½ cup of white sugar and a 1/4 cup of packed light brown sugar. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 1 large egg at room temperature and 1½ teaspoons of pure almond extract. Continue mixing until they're well blended. And with the mixer on low, we're going to add in our dry ingredients. Mix the flour in until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing up my cookie batter. So now there's 2 more things we got to add to it. The 2 stars of the show. We're going to add in 2 cups of white chocolate chips and 1 10-ounce jar of maraschino cherries that I chopped and I drained the liquid. And fold them in. Isn't this a gorgeous cookie dough? Look at the cherries and the white chocolate chips. And it smells amazing. You can smell the almond extract. Cherries and almond extract is awesome together. They're like 2 best friends. Alrighty, as soon as I get through mixing up my cookie dough, I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through folding in my chocolate chips and cherries, and our cookie dough is complete. Now we're ready to form them into cookies. Over here, I have my ice cream scoop. We're going to take a dollop of the cookie dough just like that. And then we're going to scoop them on to my 9 by 13 inch cookie sheet that I lined with parchment paper. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my cookies and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I got all my cookies together. Now we're ready to put them in the oven. Oven's preheated to 375 degrees. We're going to let them bake for about 10 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I have taken my cookies out of the oven. And it smells heavenly. And look at the specks of cherries and the white chocolate chips in them. What's better than the smell of freshly baked cookies? Ain't nothing like it. So now I'm going to let my cookies cool the pans and then I'll place them onto my platter and then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Cherry white chocolate chip cookies. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Look at this cookie. Nice and golden brown on the bottom. Have a bite. These are so moist they just break apart. Perfectly layered, bursting with flavors. Oh, ain't nothing like white chocolate and cherry. Awesome combination. These cookies are marvelous, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Cherry white chocolate chip cookie-licious. Wow, Mitch and Phillip, thank you again for hosting this amazing and fun collaboration. And don't forget to check out everybody's amazing cookie recipes when you click on the hashtag Christmas Cookie Extravaganza 2022. I'm going to enjoy them. And I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. Don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.